Oh, so many notes. This is about as off the cuff as it gets. I'm just doing stuff and questions start spinning in my head, and now I wanna present some things to you and ask you, because I'm now seeing that I have expanded possibilities with something that I haven't used much. I mean, I used it a lot in college, but this is new. It's old but new. Um, I'll give you an example. Let's say I'm taking down ideas for YouTube videos, or taking notes for my What's New series, writing out my jokes. I need to, grab my pictures and stuff for my overlays and things like that. I can't do that with Evernote, which I was using first. I thought I need something that I can synchronize multiple PCs when I'm out and about, and with my phone. I use Evernote on my phones and my tablets. Um, it's nice for text notes. It can embed attachments and sound recordings, but I found that feature-wise, it's very simple. It's got that organization that OneNote has, but it's not as fancy. I've got the 2013 version of Office Home and Student. I bought it so I can do stuff um, for various other things that I'm involved in. And I'm just now finding, that I can probably use it again. The reason I'm bringing this up is I just saw an article on Engadget, and I'll put a link in the description. Microsoft's OneNote has now gone completely free, and it launched on Mac as well. So it's out there for everybody. Like, literally everybody. And you can get it on Android and iOS too. So everything's there. At least I really didn't have to sign up for a new Microsoft account to synchronize it, because I have Skype. I had Skype already, and my email address is registered under Microsoft, so it kind of just like absorbed. So anyways, back into OneNote. I don't want to make this too long. I've got a side-by-side here of OneNote and Evernote. And one striking difference is that when you open up Evernote, you're thrown right into editing. It's like you take off where you last were, or you open up a new notebook, and you don't have to look at a list of things. Like, you have your pages there. That's one thing that differs also from between the two, Evernote and OneNote. You don't really have pages. You just have a list of notes that is under a section, and you can have subsections. OneNote is like really focused on organizing like a notebook. You have a tab, then you have pages, and then you've got the stuff that's on the page. And then you've got your notebook, which you have sprawled the big name across, basically. So now I can see that I can use this for what's news and stuff like that. I can insert a new page for each episode. I can search through them like you do, like you'd expect to. And the formatting options are all there. Different headings, page titles, a whole bunch of different things. You can do all the formatting. You can drag and drop the images in, record audio notes if you wanted to, draw, markup, record video too. I didn't know you could do that. Scan images, take a screen clip. These are all things that Evernote doesn't do. So this could come in handy. Now, being a songwriter too, you could probably write your lyrics and mark them up, chord progressions and things like that in OneNote. But I have this thing called Verse Perfect, which has a rhyming dictionary. And from what I understand, OneNote is supposed to have a new API now, so that people can integrate it. So if they put a rhyming dictionary in OneNote, it's going to be my note-taking document for literally everything. I won't really need anything. So I'm pretty impressed by this. So I'm curious what you guys do. Do you take digital notes? How do you organize them? How do you synchronize them? Have you migrated all your stuff to a new service? And how do you do it seamlessly with a whole lot of copying and pasting? Because there's really no way to just move things over like that. Making a big move like that it can be an improvement, but you can also set yourself back, because then you kind of have to learn a new thing. So what do you use these online note-taking services for? Do you use the web apps for them? Um, that's one thing I found about Evernote is the web app. It doesn't work very well at all. I get weird spacing going on after some time. It bugs out in Chrome when I've used it, so I stopped using it. So this OneNote looks promising because you can use that online. You can use it on your phone, tablet, iOS, whatever. Um, and maybe I'll just stick to Google Drives for the documentation stuff I do for other things, or I need to have documents, like actual documents that are online. This is great for notes, I'm finding, so I might just move everything over, copy and paste the stuff that I have. So yeah, I'd like to know what you do. How do you manage this? I'd love some advice if you have it. Leave it in the comments below. Um, Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that. I'd really appreciate all the support I can get. Thank you to those who've already subscribed. So that's all I want to say for now. You get the idea. Let's have a little discussion in the comments, and we'll talk about this. All right? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on this week's episode of What's News. And I'd like to start a new live series that I'm going to do probably on weekends, either early in the evening or maybe in the afternoon in Eastern Time. So that should be fun. I may end up doing some other stuff, some big stuff with that too. So keep your eyes peeled on that. It'll be called the Paul Lasko Show. All right? All right. Again, thanks for watching. Sorry, I seem a little scatterbrained. I just wanted to get this out there. All right? So, yep, I'll see you guys later.